guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince from Ghana. Today's episode of my video is I'm going to take you around CDC Park in Clark City. Yeah, it's so beautiful out here, very clean and very calm. Yeah, you can sit around and enjoy this place. Yeah, to have your peaceful mind. Yeah, it's very clean and peaceful around here. So I'll take you around so that you can see how the place looks like. So let's get into the video.
They told me that I always had to be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm around, baby, it's true, yeah. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. Told me that I always had to be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm around, baby, it's true, yeah. Told me that I always had to be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm around, baby, it's true.
So guys, as you can see, this is Clark City. Yeah, this CDC Park in Clark City. Yeah, it's beautiful out here. Yeah. Yeah, it's so beautiful out here, as you can see, and very quiet. Yeah, you can come here and have your peace of mind in this place. Maybe something is disturbing you and you don't know how to go by it, like you are being depressed. You can come here and have some quiet sitting around here. You will really enjoy how this place is. So nice out here. Hello.
They told me that I always had to be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm around, baby, it's true, yeah.
So this is the park where they used to play rugby and football around. Yeah, it's very huge park. Yeah, So for those who don't know Clark is close to Angeles City in the Pampanga, yeah, in Pampanga City, yeah. So it's a few minutes drive away from Angeles City, yeah. It's a few minutes drive away from Angeles City, yeah. So you can come around and enjoy this place, yeah. There are a lot of sitting, like there are a lot of seats around where you can sit and enjoy yourself, yeah, where you can sit and enjoy yourself, yeah. It's a nice place, as you can see. It's a nice place. I think this place will be an event center. I'm behind it, so I will definitely go in front of it so that you can see how inside look like, yeah. So as you can see, this is also the football park and the rugby park as well, yeah. People used to play football around here and they used to play rugby as usual, yeah. So as I am saying, this is CDC Park inside Clark City, yeah. It's very beautiful here, well organized, yeah. It's very, very well organized. Another beautiful city in Pampanga, yeah. It's so nice out here. The security system in Clark City is perfect, yeah. Yeah, so let me go here so that you can see the event center, how it look like. So this, the event center, that's how it look like, yeah. As you can see, it has a couple of stalls around. I think when something is going on, people will be selling around, yeah. And that's the stage mounted over there, some few meters away, yeah. There's some lights around where it could be nice out here when there's a program going on, yeah. So I'll take you to the tennis courts, then turn around, yeah. So as you can see, this is the tennis court, but I think it was closed down because of COVID, yeah. Because of this pandemic, it has been closed down, yeah. That's the tennis courts. Yeah, as you can see inside. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm in Clark City, the CDC Park, yeah. And this place is so beautiful. As you can see, that's a CCTV camera capturing movement around, yeah. So as I'm saying, the security system in Clark City is one of the best security system in the Philippines, yeah. Because they have guards around, yeah. The police also do some patrols inside, and it's well organized, yeah. So this is the car park of the sports complex, yeah. can see there's the car park. It's a nice place which you're going to enjoy it when you come here. Yeah, huge place, a lot of trees where you can get some fresh breeze. Yeah, and get some fresh breeze around. Yeah. So once again, I'm in CDC Park in Clark City. Yeah. In Pampanga City as well. Some few meters away from Angeles City. Yeah, some few meters away from Angeles City. Yeah. As you can see, it has dustbins. So movement here is so clear and beautiful. You can't just litter around just like that because there are dustbins around. Everywhere you go in Clark City, there are dustbins around, which you won't even think of littering around. Definitely, when you're having a rubbish or something, you just dispose it in the trash can as it's being provided. So as you can see, people are around and some are taking pictures. Yeah, some are taking pictures because it's beautiful out here, guys. You guys need to visit this place and you're going to enjoy it. Yeah. And it's a very huge place. It's so big. So as you can see, people are even lying down, just resting. Bikers who came for biking around are tired and they are resting. Yeah, and some photo shoot is going on. Yeah, so that's it for now. I'd like to end this video here, but before I end this video, I'll go back there and conclude everything over there. So see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Give some comments and some likes and we can get it moving. Also, I'd like to give some shout out to these people in my life. Yeah. Some are in Qatar. Some are also in Hong Kong. Yeah. Yeah. And Europe. Yeah. Special friends in the Philippines also. I give shout out to you guys. Yeah. And some shout out to my friends, my African friends around. Yeah. One love to you guys. Peace out.